Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to create a verification system on Discord with Mimu. Open the Discord website by adding the Mimu bot. Add a server and click Continue. Click Authorize to confirm the permissions you grant to Mimu. You will be directed to your server and type /autoresponder add in the given bar. Type trigger and reply in the given boxes. Add verify in trigger and DM in brackets, delete in brackets, embed hash, color number in brackets in reply. Go to color picker to view the color codes you want to add. After that, type the following text that you can see on the screen next to the embed text. Press enter and you will see a detailed text above the bar. This is how you create a verification system using Mimu. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.